Okay, resuming.
Yes. I'll share.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah. Sharing. Shared. Start.
So, teach us about those systemd.
Systemd.next. Bind read-only paths.
Yes, teach us about this option.
Yes.
Is it what it sounds like, or is there more to it?
mynexus.com. Yeah. Wait, did I make a typo?
No, I mean, it's not necessarily an option.
Oh. Yeah. It's probably like a...
Even if it was an option, we would be looking for what it actually means in the
systemd's context. Bind read-only paths. Systemd.
Only the service process has access to these.
Yeah. And I think that is why extranet symlinks it separately, because the test script should also have access.
That's right.
Yeah. I was wondering why if we can just move those to a systemd service.
Move what? The systemd service?
The extra init stuff into a one-shot systemd service. Because
well, I get it, but what about the problem that it's just a lie? Because if we're testing with a modification,
yeah,
we're not test, and this is not, these are not in place for the actual thing, then wouldn't the test pass but the actual service fail?
I don't know if I follow.
The hack is to make a modification to the file system.
Yes.
And that modification allows the tests to pass.
Yes.
Okay. And so what if that modification is in place for the tests to pass, but those bind read-only paths are missing or incorrect? The tests would still pass.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a lie. It's modifying the thing we're testing before testing it. And we want to ideally test what we're actually running, not some special version of it for testing.
Yes.
So I would ask, the general question instead, is there a way to provide with another explicitly, right? Explicitly provide some other arbitrary process access to these to the same namespace. Yeah, whatever this is, mount namespace.
What?
Yeah. Why not? Like, can't we run the bench command this way?
We can
I
try.
mean, we don't know the PID. How do we find out the PID?
PS something.
Well, we'd have to ask not PS but systemd. We want to kind of, what's the PID of that service? That makes sense?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
there. It shows us for a systemd service, systemctl show p.
Oh. Oh, okay. If you want the arbitrary process to share more than just mounts, no, we don't want that.
Let's just try it.
Yeah, this is it, right? Yeah. Okay. Go back. Ta-da. Da. Bench. Bench. No, too many benches. Oh wait, this is correct. Test script. I need to go to
We're
test
looking
script.
for like succeed.
Yeah. And put this.
I don't know that this is a shell script. You think this is a shell script?
I don't know. I'll just put this here.
Yeah, but that's not okay.
I mean, I think the timer is also just mob nexting it.
Okay. Sharing. Shared.
Yeah.
We can make a shell script.
I mean, we can put it in that same.
Here's how about something like, wait, what is the service? Is it this?
Yeah.
Yes.
We can go to systemd next and default service config. Where is this used?
Oh, I'm trying.
Yeah, it is. No, it is project config setup. Maybe it's used in multiple places. The same default service
Probably.
config. Yeah. Project schedule.
This is schedule. What is this? Web. Soct.io. Worker target, what? Probably not. Name value pair. Make maybe site migrate. That's migrate. Install apps. Ooh, many. Oh, and we missed it. Which is it then? Well, it could be any.
It could be any, yeah, but whatever has
We're
access.
just trying to get the names, the same namespace, right?
Yeah, I think this project.target is fine. Oh, target is. Oh, it's not target. It's service. Yeah.
Let's look at these. Site config service, main target, WebSocket IO scheduler. Okay, so it's part of that target.
Oh.
WebSocket IO and scheduler. Socket IO and scheduler. Worker. I guess there is no one, right?
Can use anyone.
Okay. So what's the web one? Web sounds right. Bind. What are they called? Bind.
Read only.
Read only. There's only one of this here.
Yeah.
Okay, so web, right? They all have the same. It kind of doesn't matter. So maybe we can do something like, and if we waited for this target,
I think it's all of them are part of the target, so I think it's fine to just wait for the target.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And then we want to do something like m.succeed. We can do something like this. We can do let. How do we do bindings here? Just PID.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
We can do this in Python, right? Like
yeah.
m.succeed. Sorry. This should really take care of this. Just a moment. Okay. So that is, what will it be? Project web, right? With me, Shivaj?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what we need to do here is, instead of just that, and what about this? I don't know. Will it inherit? Right?
NS enter.
How do we, is this correct? Like, is this insert? How do we do insertion? Not like this, probably. How do we do interpolation in Python?
F string. So it's just like we did there. Yeah.
This?
Yeah, I think that should. Wait,
nah, you need some kind of a. I think it's just curly's like at the end here. These.
Oh, yeah, right. Oh yeah, it is just curly's, yes. Without the dollar.
Yeah. $. Okay. And then the rest is that.
Yeah, you just you'll have to pass it as a extra args, I think, extra args.
What extra args?
Or okay, maybe it just works. Yeah. Yeah. Sharing.
Did you just start one?
Yeah.
Could you do one VM instead of
I
whatever
did
you
4. Around 4.
Probably going to make it less readable, but let's see. One thing I'm concerned about is that bench CI var.
Mm-hmm.
So
You
we
can
could
move.
be,
You can move it inside, right? Yeah. It's not a problem.
can we?
I suppose.
That would depend
I
on
wonder.
NS enter, what it
Yeah,
supports.
I wanted to check NS enter usage. Need examples. Oh, you can just. Is this valid? NS enter blah blah blah, and then env is equal to something, and command execute a program literally named env. Oh, okay.
Use env. We can use env.
Yeah. Yeah, it fails.
What fails?
This thing. No namespace specified.
Really?
What?
Does PID have a line feed in it?
Oh, yes. I think, yeah. How do you
Do a trim in Python?
trim? Yeah. How do you trim in Python?
Dot trim at the end, maybe? I don't know.
Can try.
Maybe hallucinating it.
Dot trim. This should fail at eval, right? If it is wrong.
Which eval? Python eval?
Yeah, Python eval.
Actually, we have Python linting disabled here,
Do we?
if I remember correctly.
No, it is not. Skip lint. Oh yeah, skip lint. Okay. Skip lint, true.
May want to just comment that out and see what happens.
Yeah. I'll close this. X. Run it. Maybe one VM is enough just for evaluating.
Seems like we are linting successfully.
Yeah.
Also, this underscore file.
Yeah, it's also wrong.
Super sus.
Yeah.
I think we can just remove that.
Yeah. Fails. What? Trim? Did you mean strip? Oh.
Cool.
Okay. So it doesn't really. What does lint even do if it's like actually running that code to find the error?
Unused binding, use of undeclared binding. Syntax.
Okay.
Some type checks.
Mm-hmm. Let's wait for this. Ah, there you go. Starts at least.
I suspect that CI one is not.
Yeah. You can use env.
But let's.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, this
we
is
only find out that that's wrong when tests pass. No, when tests fail, but we still pass, right?
Yeah. We can just remove the skip list and it'll of course fail.
I think it'll fail for too many reasons. Because of errors as well, we might not. We might get. We could remove one. We comment out one test from the skip list. Maybe.
Yeah, but these tests sometimes pass, even if you skipped.
Well, maybe some tests will fail, right?
Yeah, that's why I was suggesting we just remove the entire skip list. It's just.
But we are pretty sure that this doesn't go through, right? We can also ask. You can also do a very simple. Well, actually, I don't know how you do this. Okay, so what's happening now?
Yeah, you can rotate. Oh, now it's just still.
Yes.
It's still running a test. Yeah.
Sharing. Shared. Can ns enter. We didn't ask that question. Be used. Does ns enter pass environment through? Maybe it has a flag for that.
Yeah.
No, not by default. It has env and all. Copy the target's environment. We don't want to copy the target's environment. No. Keeps the calling processes environment. Keeps the calling processes environment. New process does not inherit. Inherit from what? There are two things to inherit from. Let's see. Pass environment variables from the target process to the new process being created. That's not it. If this option is not provided, the environment variables will remain the same as in the current namespace. They do pass.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It also makes sense because it's not like a. Okay. Yeah. So, next build.
Wow. 5, 6 VMs. 4 VMs.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
What else are we concerned with here?
Then we can just remove the entire extra in it.
So did we declare success on this front?
Not yet. Maybe once this finishes.
Theoretically.
Yeah, it should work.
Right?
Yeah.
And this can be removed because it actually passes. This is also not a thing, the UID range. This might become a thing unless, I very much expect, this to be set for us, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we can remove it.
What else?
Extra in it.
Really? Did we really just solve it way better? Let's see what we're getting here. Kind of looks like tests running, right?
Yeah.
And so if they're running,
it's 34 out of 36. So 3 or 2 of them are already finished. Oh no, it's okay. It's not separate output for each VM, right? They're all mangled. Okay.
certificates.
Yeah.
And skipping. Are we done with skipping? Are we finished with that?
Hopefully.
What about timeouts?
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't reproduce timeouts anymore. I'm not able to reproduce timeouts anymore.
Well, the This is in place. So also upstream, frappix.
Yeah.
Frappe was bumped. So we should we need to rebase.
Yeah.
Come on, get it done. Seems like runner 2 got the short straw. Okay. What do we have?
Bad file descriptor.
We have one error here, right?
Oh yeah.
Which proves that our CI environment variable is working.
Yeah.
And
Test get bench relative paths. Read only file system. Word lib. Isn't this the path? We bind read only paths.
yeah, whatever it is, let's just at this point we skip it and then
Yeah.
here.
Okay. Sharing. Shared. What is this? Oh. What is this? Kernel panic. Out of memory. How did I get out of memory?
Nice.
Didn't we add that 4096 thing back? No. Oh, we didn't. Yeah, we
No,
removed
it's
it.
default and it has the balloon thing.
Yeah. I also ran this one VM. This was one VM.
Interesting. Does that mean one VM? Does that mean there's a memory leak in how these tests work?
Not sure. You can
I
try
mean, bench
running it more.
collects at least the results of the right.
Mm-hmm.
Bench collects results as some data structure in memory. Maybe the test results have way too much.
Yeah.
But that sounds like it wouldn't be an issue. It's not. How many VMs do you run? Because with Balloon, it could be your hosts. Right?
Yeah, I ran one VM back when it panicked.
Okay, so that should not be your host running out of memory unless there is a leak. Yeah. Say how many now? How many?
Now
what am I
this
seeing here?
This is 4 VMs running.
Okay, but let's say still, what am I like? Why are there so many of these in HTOP? What is that?
Maybe
Is that
tree
like
view function F5. Where did they go?
no?
Filter function F4 for KMU. Yeah.
Lots of threads.
Yeah. That's 1. This is 2, second VM. Then this is 3, third VM. This is 4. And then we shouldn't see any more. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's 4 VMs.
Okay.
There are threads inside each VM. Oh, panicked again. And oh, kernel panic. Yeah, it is kernel panic.
With 4?
Out of memory.
Can we look more at the log?
Yeah.
Because we should get a nice table.
It's log.
MySQL. What does that long number MySQL have?
This one. Oh, this one. Oh. Test total VM. Task
How
state.
much is that?
Memory values in pages. Is that in bytes?
Probably.
I could just copy this entire
Looks
bit.
like 2 gigs. I mean, there's no need. The only thing that takes a lot is MySQL.
Yeah.
And you just count the triplets.
Yeah.
You do kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, 2 gigabytes.
Considering this is in bytes.
I mean, you want it in kilobytes, it'll be more.
Yeah. But 2 gigabytes is not a lot, right?
Mine passed.
Yours passed. Full, I mean, it passed?
Yup.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I mean, congratulations. Good. Really nice. It passed in 5 minutes and 1 second. 5 VMs.
Yeah. I wonder if that's faster than the official upstream CI time.
I'll do 4 VMs, see if. Well, in any case, on your machine, we have this. We have this panic. I wonder why. How many VMs did you do?
4.
Well, I did
memory.
5, so there's a difference. Now I'm doing 4. With ballooning, there is like this leak of the host property into the right, because you can only balloon so much.
Right. Oh, it says Redis server invoked killer. What?
None of this matters. What matters is which thing consumed a shit ton of memory.
Yeah.
What follows is a certain degree of organized destruction.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's ask the question. How does MySQL find itself with 2 gigs of RAM consumed?
So MySQL always finds itself with loads of RAM.
But this should be fairly. So one of the runners, right? And this is just supposed to be deterministic, right?
Yeah.
The distribution of the modules across the runners. It's just a simple algorithm, right? So if I ran 4 now, my runner 0 should also crash on this. Yes. Unless there's some hardware property or it's like host property that like either allows or disallows the ballooning. You know, because 2 gigs sounds like the default. Is that
No,
default?
No. 1 gig is default.
1 gig is the default.
Yeah.
Is there more than just like memory size? Is there like memory limit? Are we missing a one of the options?
I don't think so, but I can check.
Does QEMU have like an upper limit on even ballooning? Like maybe it can go only to like double the original, right? And that would explain if you're saying it's 1,
but that
and we're actually crashing at 2.
Why would they call it? I mean, it doesn't make sense to call ballooning then.
Okay, well, you cannot inflate a balloon to an infinite size, right?
Well, yeah. But that limit should be the RAM itself, right? Like the host RAM.
I don't know. Let's ask about. Hey, how does that QEMU Vertio balloon, whatever it is?
Is there what's memory limit on QEMU ballooning? What was?
I don't know. Paste the line.
Yeah. XOS test balloon. What are your balloon? Does not impose a memory limit. Maximum RAM is determined by memory configuration, not the balloon device. But since this is running in a Nix sandbox, I wonder if...
Listen what it says. For example, M8 gigs and device virtual balloon. The guest starts with 8 available gigabytes. The balloon can then be inflated to reclaim guest memory for the host, effectively reducing how much RAM the guest can use. Get some general. Wait, tell it. Sorry, what is the virtual balloon in general?
I mean, for tests, I don't think it makes sense to use Vertio balloon. We can sort of tell, okay, this is the limit of the RAM that we need.
Well, it seems that it's not what I thought it was.
Oh.
Virtual balloon is a virtual memory balloon device that lets the host dynamically take RAM away from a running VM and later give it back. Suppose QEMU starts with a VM with 8 gigabytes. Normally, the guest believes it has 8 gigabytes of RAM with gigabytes of RAM. With Virtual Balloon, the host can ask the guest balloon driver to relinquish some of that memory. It doesn't inflate the memory.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a deflating balloon.
Yeah. I mean, temporarily.
It's the deflating balloon. Is
The
there? Ask it
interesting
whether
part.
it's a feature. Oh, it's why it's called balloon. The guest has a veritable balloon driver. When the host wants memory back, it tells that driver to inflate. Okay, well, inflate the balloon. The driver allocates pins, pages inside the guest, and tells QEMU which can then. So it provides a cooperative mechanism between host and guest. Inflate balloon guest has less usable RAM. That is nuts. Deflate balloon guest gets RAM. Did you say guest gets?
Yes, guest. What? Guest gets
RAM back. It does not normally increase RAM beyond the VMs. Okay, ask it, hey, is there a feature that is like...
Is there a feature that just gets the RAM on demand?
Yeah, but it doesn't make sense because like the you know, these computer architectures, they know how much memory they have.
Yeah.
You can't tell them, by the way, you have more RAM. It's like it's not in the CPU instructions or whatever.
Yeah.
Mine just passed again.
Oh yes.
How do you explain?
Five just passed. 5 passed for me now.
Okay, so it's edgy, right? It's edge casey. So the ballooning is actually nice because, but not because. So but it does not mean that we can.
Does not eliminate memory size.
Yeah.
So we need 4096 again.
Right.
I wonder if cores. I mean, we still have to play around with this cores and memory size to find the optimal number. But yeah, and the disk size also.
Yeah, do it. Give it 5 cores.
Yeah. It took 5 minutes 22 seconds for 5 VMs with 4 cores. So let's run 5 cores. 5 cores. 25. Do I even have 25 cores? What?
It doesn't matter.
20. Oh, okay.
Right?
It just uses.
It's not like they get dedicated cores.
Yeah.
So like, who cares how many cores they get? There may be a slight overhead to giving them too many cores.
Yeah. Maybe you should add a comment here beside watchable or not what you think.
But that can be true of anything. It's just whatever the reader is wrong about.
Yeah.
So how about this? Now that we delete extra init.
Yeah,
like
first. Yeah. Oh no, wait, let me just. Oh shit. It's a lot of. Yeah, nice.
Environment etc. Oh, there's this admin password thing. You can flatten that out.
Yeah. I wonder if this has. You have this key binding to flatten, or rather an action to flatten.
Provided by nixd.
Oh, yeah, I do have nixd, do I?
So actions, just, what are your actions?
No, I don't have nixd.
LSP actions.
Oh, yeah, I will add nixd for the next session. Just do it like this for now. Okay. Set up a complete bench environment at the system level. Maybe this needs a space here.
I suppose. And somewhere below, who knows?
Yeah.
We will probably remove it at some point.
Yeah.
Okay. You see the stuff about hostname and...
Yeah, this is also not needed, I think.
When our tests are passing and it's commented out, so...
Yeah.
Okay. Now, domain. This is irrelevant because Chrome and other browsers, blah, blah, blah. self-signed certificates. This is for manual testing.
But there's also
So I think
UI testing, which this project doesn't do yet, but I wonder if it becomes relevant then. In that case, we can add it later.
yes, we can. I don't even know what it would mean at this time.
Yeah. Oh, and firewall enable. This is not needed. This is also for manual testing, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no firewall against processes on the same machine.
And this
right?
mutable users. Yeah. And mutable users. This was also manual testing thing.
Well, one might still run these. I mean, it is for, yeah, we can probably.
Yeah.
You'll
This
probably remove it.
accept terms is also default false. So I don't know why it exists.
Okay. Yeah. Kill it. Okay. Let's not change too many things before we test again.
Yeah. Okay.
But the next thing we try should probably be nspawn containers.
Yeah. I'm mob nesting it so that you could run it. You could run the test. Mob next.
I have a cannot coerce null to a string when I'm trying to run.
Oh, yeah. You could maybe share as well. It's anyways, get to rotate.
Sharing. Shared.
Oh, how much?
This.
Okay. Maybe your git show on my commit. Reveal what? Null to a string. Null to a string.
These are removals. This is addition. But it looks the same. It looks equivalent.
Yeah. The 5 cores ran for me. 5 cores. It's around the same time. Like 5 minutes, 10 seconds. So not really a huge.
Text. What's going on here?
Oh, the networking.domain name. It's in the show trace actually. I think in the trace. Yeah, the domain is accessed. It's accessed in some other file.
Really?
Yeah. Networking.domain. Yeah, here. I mean, not here, but nixostest.nix.
In nixos test, he says a different file.
Yeah, it's in the same file. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Yeah, this doesn't have
Default
to come
site.
from there, but
Well, default site. Default site. Default site. What's the project? Project is project. Test project. Site. It should be this.
yeah,
It should just be that.
yeah. And there are more usages of networking domain. Yeah.
Site. What are we? Sites dot. Sites dot. Site. Domains. The heck is domains now? Domains. Is that needed? Domains.
Do we have it
Can I
in
just
manual?
put site
Manual.
there?
Do we have it in manual testing? Yeah, we do. You've just hard
Okay.
coded it. Yeah.
So what's wrong with frappix.localhost? Frappix.localhost. Project. Test project.
Yeah, I think we should run the test at this point.
Sure. I just want to see, it doesn't let me do this now. I think it's because of this.
Yeah.
So I'll do this. Eh. So did we get this file down to 192 lines?
This is, yeah, looks like it. I think we can cut it down further once we share things between the manual testing and this.
You're right.
And possibly when we remove all this CA stuff. I mean, definitely, not possibly, but yeah.
There's environment twice. We're removing this comment as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not interesting. It is running.
Maybe I could start it as well.
What's going on here?
It's
Was not
you didn't start.
evaluated.
You didn't start, I think. Yeah. Oh. Something failed.
Something fell. What failed? Action timed out. Requested assertion failed. Curl failed to verify the legitimacy of the server.
Oh. I think it's because of the certs, something. Does it get the name
Oh, it's a
testproject.local?
name.
Yeah.
I bet it has a name. Right?
Yeah. Maybe we can just use site test project.local or change it wherever it's test project.local to. Yeah.
Also run it again. Fine.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's also time.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's stop the recording. Well, if we're going to keep chatting about this, I don't know. I'm happy. I'm happy to continue doing this for a while. At whatever pace you feel comfortable with.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
I think the sponsor will also be happy to learn that we took it to completion, whatever task we were doing.
Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good.
This project is actually in use. So it's like, yes, and as funny as frappe engineering seems to be, I think it's a high value project at the moment.
Yeah.
All right.